Governor Alex Chioma Oti. Let me use it to recognize all the members of the NEC without forgetting the chairman of the BOT and the NEC, other NEC members present. On behalf of the National Chairman, Interim National Committee, and the power conferred on us by the NEC a few minutes ago, I want to read a communiqué issued at the end of the meeting of the National Executive Council of the Labour Party held on Friday, 18 July 2025 at Transcorp Hilton, Abuja. The National Executive Council, NEC, of the Labour Party met in Abuja on Friday, 18 July 2025 at Transcorp Hilton Hotel. The meeting was duly convened by the statutory NEC members in line with the Labour Party Constitution and pursuant to the decision of the Supreme Court of Nigeria delivered on the 4th April 2025 between Senator Nenadi A. Usman, Labour Party Interim National Caretaker Committee Chairman, presently but formerly the National Caretaker Committee Chairman, versus Labour Party and another suit number XC/CV/56/2025, which confirmed that the tenure of Barrister Julius Abere has ended. The meeting was attended by statutory members of the National Executive Council, the Board of Trustees, BOT, leaders of the Nigerian Labour Congress, NLC, Trade Union Congress, TUC. At the end of the deliberations, the following resolutions were unanimously adopted by NEC and issued as the official communique. 1. Ratification of Interim National Working Committee, INWC. The NEC unanimously ratified and inaugurated the Interim National Working Committee of the Labour Party under the leadership of Senator Nenadi E. Usman as the Interim National Chairman and Senator Darlington Nwokocha as the Interim National Secretary, among other persons. 2. Approval of the schedule for the party congresses and national convention. The NEC approved the detailed schedule for the conduct of world congresses, local government area congresses, state congresses, zonal congresses, and the national convention of the Labour Party. The National Secretariat is mandated to publish the guidelines and timelines to ensure transparent and democratic elections at all levels within 3 months. 3. Constitution of Statutory Committees. The NEC approved the constitution of statutory committees to supervise membership, revalidation, and new member registration across the country. These committees shall work with the National Secretariat, state chairmen, and relevant stakeholders to ensure credibility and inclusiveness. The National Secretariat is mandated to publish the list and membership of the committees. 4. Status of Labour Party participation in upcoming elections. The NEC reviewed the status of the party's participation in the forthcoming Anambra gubernatorial election and various schedules by elections in senatorial districts and federal constituencies across the country. The NEC reaffirmed the commitment of the party to fielding credible candidates and directed the Interim National Working Committee to conclude necessary preparations with INEC in line with the Electoral Act 2022. 5. Commitment to internal democracy and party discipline. The NEC reaffirmed its commitment to internal democracy, rule of law, and the supremacy of Labour Party constitution. It warned against any parallel structure or activities inconsistent with these resolutions. 6. Appeal for unity and reconciliation. The NEC urged all stakeholders, members, and supporters of Labour Party to close ranks, eschew divisive tendencies, and work together in the unity to build a strong, people-oriented, and ideologically driven political movement capable of rescuing Nigeria. 7. Call on INEC and security agencies. The NEC calls on the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, and all security agencies to discharge their statutory responsibilities impartially and professionally to ensure free, fair, and credible elections in the forthcoming elections. 8. Adoption of NEC communique. The meeting adopted this communique as the official statement of the Labour Party NEC meeting of 18 July 2025 and directed its immediate dissemination to the media, party organs, INEC, and the general public. This was issued this 18th day of July 2025 here in Abuja. Signed, His Excellency Dr. Alex OTOFR, Executive Governor of Abia State, Chief S.O.Z. Ejiofor, Chairman of BOT, His Excellency Engineer Ikechukwu Emeto, Deputy Governor of Abia State, Alhaji Salisu Mohammed, Secretary, BOT, Comrade Joe Ajero, President, NLC, Comrade Emmanuel Obaja Emoyana, Secretary, NLC, Comrade Deborah Yusuf, Chairperson, NLC National Woman Leader, Comrade Engineer Festus Osifo, President, Trade Union Congress, TUC, Comrade General N.A. Toro, PhD, Trade Union Congress Secretary, and Senator Nenadi Usman, and talent in work culture as Chairperson, the Interim National Committee and Interim National Secretary. Thank you, and God bless you.